page labels. If you have a combined sheet set and want to also kind of hyperlink if you have section views and other details, and you just want to quickly jump to that area. I'll give an example of that as well. I'll just open up, let me just open this this combined sheet set. So this PDF contains of around 48 pages of different type of drawings, and the page labels are not either not set, or it's just going to show some random parameter. So what I can do here is I can create new page labels, and I can select a specific region, typically on the yeah, it would added that into the yeah, page name actually. And then what I can do, I can also then hyperlink those, because on multiple of these drawings it will refer to a different kind of sheet. So instead of looking through the whole PDF file to find that specific section, I can also then hyperlink those page labels. And to do that, we can go to yeah, batch, and create a hyperlink, new, and here I can then add yeah, I can add the open files. Actually, I will do only this document I have currently open. And here I can create those links by the, I can generate them from the page label. That I just created. So I'll generate those for all the pages and then run it. And now everywhere on this document where it refers to different page, I now got 281 hyperlinks created. So if I go back to the front here, I can now go into that sheet. I zoom in, and okay, I want to open this section. Just click there. Everything is now hyperlinked. So it's really easy to jump around and instead of spending a lot of time to find the right sheet, you can now easily just find it where it refers to it and just open it up. For instance, there's a section. I'll just create that. Everything is now hyperlinked.